remember when we put this in, oh gosh, I guess it's been over 20 years ago. I think you had just bought this house at that time.
Was it?
And then right before the remodel. Then you did a
It was
remodel.
when my husband passed away.
That's what it was.
By myself.
That's right.
That's what it was. I'm Lyse Spearman. I've been a customer for at least 20 years. And I've been very happy with the people that have been helping me. They've been right there when I needed them. And I know it saved my life at least one time for sure. But the other time, it came on real quick and I was awake, but the first time I was asleep when it came on. And one time I just made popcorn and the smoke came all over the house. And right away, I mean within minutes, the fire department was here. And I laughed and I said, I know I'm an old lady and I'm lonely and I'd like to see young, attractive men, but I didn't do that on purpose. But yeah, it's been a lifesaver for me. I've appreciated it.
Yeah. Do you find the system easy to use?
I find it very easy, and I find the people that help me very helpful.
So let's show us how you arm the alarm now. How do you arm it every night? And that's all you do.
That's all I do.
And in the morning.
And it's in my bedroom, so I think about it.
Yeah. And when you get up and you turn it off in the morning, you punch in your code.
Yeah. You should.
Yep. You just enter your code in, and that disarms it. It's off. Oh. Man, that's easy. Have you had much trouble with your system at all? In the 20 years? Any trouble out of it in 20 years?
One time, I was out of town, and I don't know what happened, but it kept going off, and you had to keep coming and checking, and but you changed something. It was in my that Porsche outside. There was something that was triggering it. I don't know what it was.
And they fixed it for you.
Yeah, right away.
Good. Well, let's look at your cameras. As a
matter of fact, I decided to get the camera because my girl that used to clean, but she doesn't clean anymore. I've been doing my own cleaning. They stole from me.
Thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it.
And I'm so glad I got to see you all.
Oh, I think so too. It's wonderful. I'm so glad we got to see you. I haven't seen you, like I said, in 20 years, but it seems like yesterday because you look exactly the same.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes.